Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install Maltego 4.9 on Parrot Security OS 6.3, but the process is same on all Parrot Security OS versions. First verify whether we have the Maltego, comes as pre-installed software or not. See here we have the Maltego, but this is not the latest version. So open any web browser, then go to Maltego official website, that is maltego.com. Let me maximize it. Then click on resources, then hover on for customers. See here we have the download Maltego, but before downloading click on create an account. Then we have to create Maltego ID, which is required to activate after installation. So provide email, first name, last name, then continue, then fill all the details. Okay, so once we create the Maltego ID, then come to home page, then click on for customers, then click on download Maltego. Then see here the latest version at the time of making this video is 4.9.2. then select the operating system Linux, then select the for Parrot Security OS we have to select .debian package. So once we selected these options, then click on download Maltego graph, click on it. See, select the location and click on save. See, download started and its size is 204 megabytes. Wait until download completes. Now click on this get setup guide. Click on setup Maltego graph. Expand it. Activation. Select Linux. See, make sure you have the Java installed. Now open terminal. Verify the version of the Java version. See, we have the Java. See, download also completed. Okay, now go to downloads directory, cd downloads ls. See here we have the Maltego. Let us install it. Sudo dpkg-i, then give Maltego, give the tab to autofill entire Debian package name, hit enter. Provide the password of sudo user, hit enter. See, we have successfully installed. Now go to menu, then search for Maltego. See here we have the Maltego application. Click on this Maltego. See, it is loading the Maltego. ls, this file is not required anymore. See, we have installed Maltego 4.9.2. Wait a moment, we will get the activation options. See here we have the option like activate using license key or using Maltego ID. So click on next. Then we have two types of activation, online activation and offline activation. Select the online activation and click on next. Then select the general terms and conditions for software license and accompanying services. Then select checkbox, that is accept, and click on next. Then click on browse login to login with Maltego ID. So click on login. Wait a moment, it will open the, see in the background, go to the browser. See here we have the login console. Then provide the email and password that we have logged in. Then click on sign into Maltego. Not now. Wait a moment, it is authenticating. See, authentication complete. Now go to Maltego application. See, browser login was successful. Then click on next. successfully logged in the see here. Once we logged in background, we got the information about Maltego. Okay, and see here it is graph desktop edition 4.9.2 community edition. Click on next. See here, install transforms from utilities or Maltego local transform server. So I don't have anything, so select utilities and click on next. Now it is downloading the data sources. See, download completed. Click on next. Select this disclaimer by checking the checkbox and click on next. Now it is installing data sources. Click on next. Help improve. If you want to send error report, select the checkbox. Otherwise, unselect it and click on next and select the default browser. So if you want to select system browser, select it, or if you want to select any one of them, select them. I want to go with the default system browser. Then click on next. Privacy modes, normal or stealth. I am going with normal. Then click on next. Now see here, ready set go. And now you are ready to use Maltego. And if you want to open blank graph, select the first one. If you want to open example graph, select it and click on finish. Now it will open the example graph. Wait a moment. Here CE means community edition. See here, entity palettes, we have cryptocurrency, etc. See here we have different options. Cryptocurrency, click on OK. Close this one. Close this one. Cryptocurrency, devices, etc. Events, general, Google Vision, groups, infrastructures, locations, malware, pen testing, personal. See, we have different palettes. See, this is the sample example. If you click on it, see, it populated the information like detail view. Okay, see the properties. See, this is the output of this maltego.com. Okay, if you want to create new graphs, click on this new. Then you have to click on it. Then you have to add the palettes. Okay, and see here the options like view, entities, collection, etc. information. If you want transforms, click on here. See here we have the different options, transform manager, etc. Okay, now go to terminal, ls. So we have successfully installed. So this file is not required, so remove it. rm u Maltego, give the tab, hit enter, ls. We have cleared this way. So in this video we have seen how to install Maltego 4.9.2 on Parrot Security OS 6.3, but the process is same for all Parrot Security OS versions. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.